Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how you can deposit money on Binance. Let's get started. So first open Binance and click on Add Funds. After clicking Add Funds, you shall see these three options. You got some options buying with other people or buying from the bank. So in this video, let's buy from the bank. So we're going to choose buy with PHP. So with buy with PHP, you can use your bank account or other wallets to buy some cryptocurrency. So here just select any minimum. If you want to buy the minimum amount, just click on the buy minimum amount or input any number you want based on your what you can budget for your crypto. In here you'll see this many bank transfers and just select one with the most you're comfortable with. So here I select this, and here is the order created. So this is a peer-to-peer trading. So this is like I'm buying someone's USDT or someone's crypto, and they will give it to me with the price I asked and with the amount I chose to buy. So yeah, just make sure you proceed to these, follow the steps, okay, and you shall have money on your Binance. And here I select to cancel because I'm not looking to buy any of this. So yeah, that's how you deposit on Binance.